In this video, I'm going to show you how to type on a path in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is you must have a path. So I'm just going to go here on the left-hand side. I'm going to select one of these here, which is going to select this diamond tool, and I'm going to drag out a diamond over here. Now, it's completely up to you. Whichever one you want to pick, it's going to work for all of these different objects and different paths. Now, if it bothers you because it's colored over here, you could also change this by going up here, top left, and you could go ahead and basically set it to no color, and you could only have this kind of the outline to be able to see where it is, and for me that's gonna be fine. Now, don't bother too much because it's not really important. The most important part here is how to actually get the text on here. So I'm going to zoom in a bit to allow you to see better, and then you want to select these artistic tool over here. So you want to click on this tool here, the text tool, and select the artistic text tool. When you come in here and when you go close over to where you can actually see your shape, so if I go ahead and actually select it, make sure it's selected, you want to go close to where the line is, and as you can see, it's going to basically transform into this little icon, which is kind of a T with a swivel just below it. Okay, so this curve represents that you can actually go ahead and type text on there. Now, the most important part here is that you basically don't miss it. So if you click on the top side, it's going to start typing on the top side like this, as you can see. But if you click on the bottom side here like that, it's going to start on the inside. So you have to be very precise over here because, of course, it's going to depend on where you want to be typing. Now, that's pretty much how you do it, and then you can just go ahead and start typing it, and it's going to start stacking on. And then here, in case something is missing, you could also go ahead and transform it. So if I go and type in like that, as you can see, you can transform if you want everything to be seen or not. And yeah, that's pretty much how that works. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.